Want to create smooth hyperlapse videos on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? It's easier than you think, and your shots will look incredibly professional. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and record videos in hyperlapse on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So let's get started. First, turn on the camera. Now look at the bottom left corner. Here you'll see an icon that represents the current shooting mode. If you're in photo mode, it will look like a camera, or if you're in video mode, then it will look like a video camera icon. So tap on this icon to bring up the shooting mode menu. Here you'll see the menu with all the shooting modes. Scroll to the right through the list until you find time-lapse option. Now tap on it to switch to this mode. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Here select hyperlapse instead of time-lapse. Then select rate option from here. You'll be able to choose from a few different rates. Typically 2x, 5x, 10x, 15x, and 30x. These numbers represent how much the final video will be sped up. A higher number means the video will be faster. Or you can select auto. If you are moving at an inconsistent speed, the camera will automatically adjust the rate to try and maintain a consistent visual flow. For most use cases, a rate of 10x or 15x provides a good balance. Once you have your rate set, simply press the record button. The camera will start recording. Now you need to start walking or moving at a steady pace. To stop recording, press the record button again. The camera will then process the footage and give you a final hyperlapse video file. And that's it. This is how you can record a hyperlapse video on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching.